Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game keeps crashing or freezing and then crashing on your PlayStation 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert freezing and then crashing on your PlayStation 5 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the game and now you're going to go to your video settings here, and here you're going to make sure that you turn on VSync here. So once you're done turning on VSync, if you have a high refresh rate monitor, make sure to set this refresh rate to anything below 120. So if you have like 60 hertz available, set it to that, or if you have 75 or 80, just anything below 120, set it to that. Now you're going to go into graphics, and here you're going to make sure that you set this preset to either minimum or performance. So just set it to performance or minimum. Now you're going to go into languages and gameplay, and here you're going to make sure that you turn off 3D node info in map. So this setting just tanks your performance whenever you open up the map. So just set this to off. Afterwards, you're going to go into accessibility, and here you're going to set the particle effects quality to 0. So just set it to 0. And once you're done with all of those, now you're going to close out the game and you're going to go to your games menu. You're going to go on to Crimson Desert, and then you're going to press the start button on your controller. And once you press that button, it will open up this menu. Now you're going to click on to restore license here. Once you click on to restore license, it will restore the license of Crimson Desert. And then you're going to open up the start menu again. And now you're going to go into check for update here. And once you go into check for update, it will look for any updates there are. And if there are, it will download those new updates. And once it's done with those updates, now you can try to play the game and you'll see that your game will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.